There's a reason why God brought the truth to you and called you from the darkness to the light. Within your heart, He saw the longing that you had to search for Him and practice what is right. You promised Him in prayer to do His will. He helped you then, and He will help you still. With Jesus' blood He bought you, to God you now belong. So He will make you firm, and He will make you strong. He'll guide you and protect you as He has all along. Yes, He will make you firm, and He will make you strong. Jesus' blood He bought you, to God you now belong. So He will make you firm, and He will make you strong. He'll guide you and protect you as He has all along. Yes, He will make you firm, and He will make you strong. God gave His own beloved Son in your behalf. On this account He wants you to succeed. If He did not withhold